Hey guys, this is the Garvee tool chest. I picked this out because our tools are everywhere. If you can not look at the background behind me, we're trying to sort and organize our garage right now. This is the first step. I'm going to show you how big these drawers are. Every drawer comes with this liner where you can take it out if you want, or you can put it on top so when you put your tools here, it comes in. Now, as I was putting dirty tools in here, I got this little dusty. Look how clean it wipes with just a simple paper towel. So good. The hardest part of unpacking this, it came all together. You just had to put on the bar, you had to put on the wheels, and then you had to peel this huge liner that was covering up these so that they don't get scratched in transit, which fine, but oh my gosh, it took so long to peel off. So I'm still like getting pieces of it. The best part about this is that it locks, so I can make sure that all my sharp, scary, I don't want my kids getting into tools, stay locked in here with this key that just gives it a twist. And then I can go put this where we keep our keys. So once it's not locked, just unlocked it. This is locked. This makes sure that the drawers don't come out. I'm gonna show you the side. This is all very heavy duty. It's heavy, so just prepare. This is the breakdown here. So if you've got casters on all sides, they're really thick casters too. They are not flimsy whatsoever. These are great wheels, and I've worked with a lot of rollers before, so I know. These are brakes down here, so you're going to push it all the way down with your foot to lock these in place, and then when you're done, I'm going to do this real carefully, you're just going to pop it up, and then it will unlock so that you can rotate them around. And they're not just like the stationary forward and back wheels, they all rotate, which is huge, especially when you're moving around the garage project to project. So I want to show you the drawers inside to show you how much stuff you can fit in. I don't have this fully packed up yet, but you'll see. Inside the drawers here, you got the bottom one. This is the biggest one. I have all my big DeWalt really sharp tools because I don't want the kids getting into these, and I don't want them picking them up without my permission, especially when you've got some big old blade cutters that can absolutely cut through bone. So we're gonna keep these ones in here, keep them away from the kids. Obviously I have more room, so I could fit even more. I could fit the extra batteries that we have. This next one, I'm gonna start putting all my sanding equipment in because I do wanna keep that separate too. My sanding sponges are in here. This is another deep drawer. This is your thinner drawers up here. These are all the same size. And I obviously haven't filled this one up yet. You can kind of get the idea and see how deep this can go. Obviously, it's not going to be able to close with something sticking up. So you do need things that are going to lay flat in here. Like I've got my DeWalt screwdrivers in here. We're going to fill this drawer up so that it is full of tools. And then you've got your top drawer. Let me show you this one. Where I'm going to start putting our hammers, our mallets, anything that I just want to keep out of the kids' hands so that we don't have hurt fingers while mom is not looking. Highly recommend this tool cabinet. Really great. It's made by Garvee. It is a good solid one to add to your garage. Now I got to get the rest of this stuff cleaned up.